Welcome to MentorLean Online, a cloud-based simulation management system for managing your simulators. This is Tammy, a professor of surgery and the director of the Simulation Center. She is responsible for the development and implementation of simulation-based curricula. This is Jim. He oversees the simulation lab and equipment and performs the administrative tasks of the simulation curriculum. These are Julie and Paul. They arrived at the hospital and are ready to start their training. Let's take a look at how Tammy and Jim are using MentorLean Online to integrate the simulators into the residents' curriculum. MentorLean provides online access to the simulators. Tammy and Jim can perform administrative tasks from the comfort of their desk, such as registering a list of residents that will use the simulator. Tammy is designing the resident curriculum, a series of simulation cases which must be successfully completed prior to participating in surgery. A library of ready-to-use courses and MentorLean's simple interface makes it easy prior to participating in today's training curriculum. She also loves the flexibility to add her own educational content, such as PDFs, images, videos, and even personally created videos that she can upload directly from her phone. Proficiency benchmarks facilitate goal-oriented training. Scientifically based benchmarks are available for reference, but Tammy chooses to set her own for those metrics she thinks are important. Finally, with a click of a button, Tammy assigns learners their simulation curriculum. All is prepared for when the residents start their training. Julie and Paul are required to acquire knowledge prior to simulator training. They have access to learning material online 24/7. The residents arrive at the training center prepared for hands-on training. Residents are expected to reach the predefined benchmark levels before participating in procedures in the actual operating room. Performance metrics and simulation videos are recorded. With an online system, performance data from all simulation training is saved to one database, a single access point to all the data from the simulator training. By looking at the performance reports, Tammy can see at a glance how her residents are doing. She schedules a debriefing session to review their progress. Debriefing session to review their later usage reports to demonstrate utilization of the simulators. This knowledge allows for creating an efficient work plan for the simulation center. Join over 14,000 simulation users enjoying the MentorLean Online management system. 31,000 hours of simulation training. Secure cloud-based infrastructure, the best way to keep the systems updated and serviced. How can I get this in my training center? Contact us to learn more.